How's it going, guys? This is Zach and welcome back to another video. Today I'm not going to play a game. I'm just going to show you what I've done. It sounds like a bad thing. Yeah, this is what I did in the last year. It's not that good. See, if you can tell, I made a Black Panther mask, helmet, and the line that I did is not very good either. You can see that there is black thing, dirt, I guess. I don't know. This one not. It's peeling off. And I wanted to make it again better. Same as the eye, I want to make it cooler. This one I use what do you call the mineral bottle, and I got this. Very cool, you see, very reflective. Yeah, I'm still sick, that's why doesn't feel too good. I don't know. And I did the line, not very good. This one too blocky. And you can see, right, the line that where it connects. This one, this, and I really hope that I can make it again, do it again. This is the inside. Not very pleasant to see, right? And to improve it overall, overall with the eye, the line that stick well. Yeah, improve this thing using paper mache. I think that's it. Yeah, if you subscribe, maybe I'll do it again and post it in this channel. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like what I did right here, please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see next video. I don't know whether it's gaming or DIY or maybe a review. I do review stuff. If you enjoy, please, yeah, I'm not going to repeat again. Subscribe if you want to see next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.